Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the perfect retreat in the highly sought after neighborhood of Jacksonville St. Andrews. This remarkable residence of 8,000 square feet boasts 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a spacious living area, laundry, and staff quarters, all nestled on half-acre of land. The foyer features a sculptural staircase that winds from the main floor to the upper level, all the way to the roof terrace, with perfect ease. On the main, there is a primary bedroom and a separate den or home office that can be merged with the spacious great room. The layout maximizes outdoor and indoor space, captures the natural light, and connects with the serene landscape. The unbeatable location ensures convenient access to supermarkets, schools, just a stone throw away. Get ready to be enchanted by the breathtaking panoramic views that unfold before your eyes. Don't let this extraordinary opportunity slip away. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,495,000 or Jamaica 230 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.